Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this 10-foot HDMI to HDMI cable. Now this is your normal HDMI to mini HDMI cable, and we're going to use this with our screen right here. So I like having two monitors, one for my main stuff and one for music and other odd and end stuff that I can play at random times. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to set that up. So this is what the cable looks like. I specifically picked this cable because of the design. I really like how it's got that thread design look. It just looks really cool. It kind of looks like a futuristic wire. So that's why I went with that. So what we will do is we'll go back here and we will put our HDMI in another HDMI port back of our computer. So on your keyboard, once you have your second computer set up, you can go ahead and press the Windows key plus P together. So the Windows key and the P key together, and it'll bring up this. Then we can go ahead and we can do duplicate, or we can extend second screen only, or the PC screen. So this is what the cable looks like installed. It's working great. I'm super happy with it.